Do you think that we may be able to link these images? So some of it, of course, is so technique dependent. If you've got to get the right angle, you've got to get the right perspective of the structure that you're looking at. Do you think we might link our images to a help desk or to AI or something like that in the future, who would then interpret the pictures for us?
I mean, for sure, AI, and I have no financial interest in any of these companies, but Clarius actually has an incredible AI system right now. For example, with the carpal tunnel, if you get a short axis view of the carpal tunnel and you hit a button that says AI, it will actually find the nerve for you, highlight it in green, and auto measure the cross-sectional area. They have a system that's still kind of in demo, which is for the rotator cuff. You do a shoulder ultrasound, it'll actually highlight the different rotator cuff tendons, make them different colors. It'll help you find your biceps tendon. So I think that the future is definitely AI. And just based on the echogenicity of structures, it's going to be able to tell you what they are and actually probably name them for you based on the AI learning. And that's probably it's here already, but I think it's going to become refined over time and just going to get better and better.
AI will just identify the structures for you then.
Yeah, and actually tell you if they're abnormal too. I mean, the rotator cuff is pretty impressive. It'll show you regular cuff, it'll show you torn cuff, it'll show you a gap, it'll actually measure the footprint. Some of these companies are getting very advanced already.
Think that's spectacular.
Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this conversation has given you a preview of what's ahead at SMA's annual scientific assembly in Houston this year in November. We've built an engaging program designed to inform you, inspire you, and connect you with colleagues. Visit sma.org or scan the QR code to explore the full agenda and register. We would be delighted to have you join us.